So for this problem, to expand the binomial using the Pascal's triangle, so first we need to construct a Pascal's triangle, and this is how to construct a Pascal's triangle. So we have 1, then starts with 1, ends with 1, then again starts with 1, then this 1 plus 1, this is 2, then ends with 1. So always starts with 1, then 1 plus 2, that's 3. 2 plus 1, this is also 3. Then always ends with 1. Then we have 1. 1 plus 3, this is 4. 3 plus 3, so this is 6. 3 plus 1, we have 4. Then 1. Then we have 1. 1 plus 4, this is 5. 4 plus 6, we have 10. 6 plus 4, this one is also 10. Then 4 plus 1, that's 5. Then we have 1. Then continue, so 1. 1 plus 5, that's 6. 5 plus 10, this one is 15. 10 plus 10, this one is 20. 10 plus 5, so this one is 15. 5 plus 1, that's 6. Then ends with 1. Then just continue the process for the Pascal's triangle. Then for the binomial, so this is equal to x plus y to the power 0, because everything with exponent 0 is always equal to 1. Then this is x plus y to the power 1. So this is x plus y to the power 2. Then we have x plus y to the power 3. And this is x plus y to the power 4. This is x plus y to the power 5. Then we have x plus y to the power 6. And this one is equal to x plus y to the power n. So for this given, the quantity of 3x minus 2y to the power 5. So since the exponent is 5, therefore, these are the numerical coefficients. So we have 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So this is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So the numerical coefficient if the exponent is 5. Then for the first term, so the exponent is decreasing. So starts with exponent 5. So this is 3x to the power 5. So since decreasing for the first term, so 3x to the power 4, 3x to the power 3, 3x to the power 2, and 3x to the power 1. Then for the second term, the exponent is increasing. So since increasing, so we can start putting on the last term. Since the second term is negative 2y, so this is negative 2y to the power 5, then negative 2y to the power 4, negative 2y to the power 3, negative 2y to the power 2, and negative 2y to the power 1. And these are all plus. Then after putting now all the values in every terms, so we need to simplify. So for the first term, this 3x to the power 5, so we have 3 to the power 5. So this is 3, then to the power 5 equals, that's 243. So this is 243. Then x to the power 5, then plus, bring down this 5, then times this 3 to the power 4. So we have 3 to the power 4, that's 81. So this is 81, then x to the power 4, then times, bring down negative 2y, then plus, so bring down this 10, then times, this 3 to the power 3, this one is 27, then x to the power 3. Then this time for this negative 2y to the power 2. Now take note that if the constant or if the base is negative, taking the exponent, we need to put inside the parentheses. So we have parentheses, then negative 2. So since the base is negative, so always put inside the parentheses, then to the power 2. So that's positive 4. So times positive 4, then y to the power 2, then plus, so bring down this 10, then times, this 3x to the power 2, this one is 9, then x to the power 2, then times, again the base is negative, so put inside the parentheses, or since the exponent is an odd number, so therefore, this is negative, and 2 to the power 3, this one is 8. So negative 8, then y to the power 3, then plus, bring down this 5 times 3x times. So since the exponent is an even number, therefore, this becomes positive. So negative 2 to the power 4, this one is positive 16. Y to the power 4, then plus. So since the exponent is negative, so therefore this one is negative, and negative 2 to the power 5. So again, put inside the parentheses because the base is negative, then to the power 5. So that's negative 32. So we have negative 32. Then to simplify, so bring down this 243 x to the power 5. Then multiply all these numbers. So since we have this negative, so this becomes minus. So we have 5 times 81 times negative 2. So that's negative 810. So we have negative 810. Then copy the variables. So x to the power 4. Then y, then plus. So this 10 times 27 times 4. So we have 10 times 27 times 4. So that's 1080. So this is 1080, then x to the power 3, y to the power 2. Then for this term, so since negative, so this is minus. Then we have 10 times 9 times negative 8. So that's negative 720. So negative 720, then x to the power 2, y to the power 3. Then for this term, so this is plus. So we have 5 times 3 times 16. So that's 240. So this is 240, then x times y to the power 4. Then for this term, by the way, there is y to the power 5. So this becomes negative 32 y to the power 5. So this is now the expansion of the given binomial.